Good morning to all traders and all investors worldwide. Welcome to TurboOptionTrading.com. We have released a brand new program. It's called Buy Now, Pay Later with Profits. Buy Now, Pay Later. You can get signed up. We have the complete articles written up, and we do. It might be small, but the document will be released on the website. We believe that everybody that has less money and don't have a trading account, don't have credit, you deserve the opportunity to buy now, pay later. What is buy now, pay later for trades? You're going to be able to go through it. How does buy now, pay later work for trades? And here are examples. You will be given a one-on-one meeting with me. We have a list of 100 stocks that you can buy options on at a strike price. I'll go over all of that with you, but this is the benefits of buy now, pay later for trades. And you get so many benefits. I will go over all of them. The document's going to be released on the site tonight. And then the conclusion. Now is the time for you to enter a world of I get the power to invest, and Wall Street doesn't control me. I control them. I get to buy something even though I don't have credit. I don't have a license. I don't have a credit card, but I get to be fully invested. I'm an American, and every American should get a chance to get fully invested under our Buy Now, Pay Later program, especially being released this evening. It's already popular. Tell all your friends, spread it to everybody. Do everything that you can help them, just like you can help yourself with me here, right now.